ChooseMyPlate.gov is a very valuable website. It's got tons of good information in regards to eating healthy and just being healthy in general. It's geared towards your diet, so you can find any sort of information as far as what food groups are, and what you should be eating, what you shouldn't be eating, kind of portions. It'll come up with different food labels for you for recipes that are also on this website. So that's why I selected it. My purpose is to kind of inform our students and parents a little bit better on the nutritional value of different foods. So it is intended towards the students and the parents, specifically the parents, because they're going to control the students' diet a little bit more at the elementary age where I'm teaching. So the two IST standards that I'm using for this are ISTES 3A and 1A. As far as the website goes, just right here on the home page, you can click on any of these food groups. So if I click on vegetables, it'll give me some search options down here. Say I want to go towards families. You can find all sorts of information here. It gives you some recipe ideas here as well. But I'll get into that a little bit more in a second. So you can pull all sorts of articles off of here with good nutritional information and tips for eating and being healthy. So one of the biggest resources on here that I found to be useful, that I think I will utilize myself and push towards my students, is just the recipe book here. You can create your own cookbook, so you can click on the recipes, go down and find different recipes that look good. For me, peach apple crisp sounds interesting, so if I click on that, it'll load the recipe, gives you the ingredients, directions, and it also gives you the nutritional value in the food label for what you are creating there in your own kitchen. So if I decided I wanted to add this to a cookbook, that gives me that starts my own cookbook, that if I later go back and decide, I want to pull up a recipe that I've used in the past, it'll compile all of those that you had to your own personal cookbook. So I think this would be a great tool for physical educators and health side of things to push on to students and their families, so that way they can eat and be healthy.